Want to focus on high quality leads first? Lead scoring helps you prioritize the best ones. Here's how to set it up in Zoho CRM. If this helps, hit that like and subscribe button for more CRM tips. Start from your Zoho CRM dashboard and click the settings icon in the top right. Under automation, select lead scoring, choose the module usually and click create rule. Now set your scoring rules. For example, actions at points for specific industries, score higher for leads with a certain job title. Subtract points for missing info like email. You can set rules based on field values, activities, or web interactions. Name your rule, set conditions, and assign points accordingly. Once done, hit save and activate. Your leads will now show a score so you can focus on the hottest ones first. That's how you set up lead scoring in Zoho CRM. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful.